So in today's video, guys, I'll be taking you on a step-by-step on how I made this chicken right here and the fried rice which is over here. So if you want to learn how I was able to cook this fried rice and this chicken, just keep on watching and I'll take you on a step-by-step on how to make it for yourself or for your family tonight or for any other time of the day. Okay. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, your first time visitor to my channel, my name is Joy Ayogu. I am a YouTuber based in Toronto, Ontario, and today I am going to be taking you in my kitchen once again. You will say, is it only cooking you have on this channel? Well, it's not only cooking that I have on this channel, but cooking is a big part of my channel, and I love cooking. Anybody who knows me knows that I love food. Anywhere you call food, you're going to see Joy appear. And because I have 3 kids, I have a family, I love cooking, I love sharing recipes, I love sharing different cooking techniques and different cooking ideas, and learning as well. I am still learning. It's not like I know everything, I'm still learning, but I've been cooking for a very long time. I've been cooking since when I was still very little, so I still cook and continues to cook, but a lot more is going to be coming on my channel. So without further ado, let me introduce you to what I am going to be cooking today. Alright, so these are all the ingredients that I will be using to season my chicken. If you look over here, they are all laid out here. What I have right here is granulated onion, which is onion powder, black pepper, and fennel seed that I already grinded up. So that's, I'll be adding this one here. Let me just add it right away. And the next one is curry powder. I'll add a little bit of curry powder to season. And the next is jack sauce. Jack sauce is a little bit spicy, so I'll add just a little bit. Well, this one is a spicy one, so I'll add a little bit just because of the kids. That's why I'll be adding a little bit. But I love jack seasoning. I just love the taste of jack. And another thing that, if you've watched a lot of my cooking, that you will see a lot is paprika. This is smoked Spanish paprika. I just added it into this container that I already have, but I'll add a little bit. I love the color and the taste of smoked Spanish paprika. And then I'll just add salt, and then I mix it up. Jack sauce is black. It looks black like that, but it's packed with a lot of flavor. There's a lot of flavor that is inside it. So this is the amount that I'm adding, not a whole lot, but a little bit goes a long way. And next is our paprika. And paprika, I'm not going to add a lot. Adding this amount. If I need to add more, I will add more. Let's start with small, and then we can increase the number. We can increase the size. Okay, just to have to combine everything up, I'm adding olive oil. See the olive oil I'm adding? Because the chicken has a little bit of fat still left in it. Though I already cleaned it off and trimmed off the excess fat, but it still has a bit of fat in it. And then just salt. Add salt to your taste. Well, remember, don't add too much. So that's it. Now I'm just going to use my hand and mix it up. Let me wash my hand first. Alright. Oh, one other thing that I actually forgot to add here is, let's see, some curry powder. So thyme. Just add a little bit of thyme to it. And that's it. So this is our herb chicken. Herb grilled chicken. let it rest in the fridge for about an hour, minimum 20 minutes, and then I can start grilling it. Alright, so now this is our chicken. I just brought it out of the fridge. It's been resting for, I think, for a good 45 minutes now. So I'm ready to start grilling it. Alright, you hear that sizzle? That tells you that the pan is hot. You have to let it get hot so that once you drop it, it sizzles. Yeah. This will be a perfect addition to your kitchen. To have this on hand, you can grill anything you want. You see the grill mark? Yeah, right there. And to be honest with you guys, the taste of the chicken, it makes a lot of difference actually. It tastes much different than when you finish cooking it. It is a little bit different. This one is not ready yet. From when you just bake it. Baking it and grilling it before baking it is totally different. You might think that it's not, but it actually is different. I have done a lot of baking, just season the chicken and put it in the oven to bake, and this one comes out much better. So try it today or try it very soon and tell me what your result is or how you like it. So here is the chicken. Now it's not done. Don't start eating it like this. I'm going to put it in the oven right now for about 30 minutes to, let's say 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So alright guys, so while the chicken is in the oven and cooking up, I'm going to make a simple, quick and simple fried rice. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make this fried rice. Okay, Abigail. So these are the ingredients that I'm using to make the fried rice. It's very simple. Just some frozen vegetables here. 2 cups of mixed frozen vegetable. This is mixed bell pepper. You have different colors of bell pepper. This you can buy from most grocery stores. And a little bit of onion, 2 seasoning cube, curry powder, a little bit of crushed tomatoes. Yes, I'm going to be adding these crushed tomatoes. You're going to see in a while why I'm adding that. Some oil and some salt for taste. And that's all I'm going to be using to making this fried rice. My rice is already cooked. I'm using jasmine rice.
Daddy, your phone is calling.
See, Abigail is here again. Abigail wants to cook with me all the time. Abigail?
Yes.
Do you know how to cook?
Mommy knows how to cook.
Mommy knows how to cook, but you always come in the kitchen.
You're grown up.
I'm a grown up. And you are? What are you?
I'm a kid.
You're a kid? Oh my goodness. Alright, just waiting for the oil to heat up. And then we can start building our delicious what? What are we cooking?
Rice.
Delicious rice.
And then all together. Wow, so fancy. On a spicy pan.
crushed tomatoes. It gives it this nice like jollof rice type of color. If you've watched my other video where I made a fried rice, that one was more like an Asian type of fried rice. I mean, fried rice is anything as far as you just cook it to your taste. That's all, with whatever ingredients you have. Now I only use frozen vegetable because that's what I have on hand. If you prefer to use fresh vegetable, by all means use fresh vegetable, but this is what I have on hand, and I just use whatever makes it easier and faster for me to get food on the table. So yeah, I don't know if you can see it very well, but wow, this tastes very, very good. And here is our finished product. This is our finger licking chicken that is now done, and also the rice. And guys, this costs less than $15. All the things you see here, the chicken and the chicken actually cost me less than $5, about $5 actually. And the rice, you can see all the ingredients is very simple, what you can find from your freezer section, or even what you already have in your pantry or your freezer already. So it's quick and easy, and this is our final dinner. Enjoy.